Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the 2021 Global Technology Awards. It's a very different year this year. A lot of our colleagues who have won awards have already received their trophies, but they will be giving us some messages either by video or photograph later on. For those of you who have turned up for your award, congratulations. It's really interesting and people here. I think this has been quite a surprise. So I think without much more delay, I think we shall get started with this year's award ceremony. And the first category we're going to invite up is adhesives, coatings, encapsulants, and thermal interface materials. The winner of that category is Hernon Manufacturing for the Fusion Bond 374.
Hernon's Fusion Bond 374 is being used effectively to create beads in the 200 to 250 micron range. With an activator sprayed onto the substrate prior to bead placement, the bead cures in place with consistent properties throughout.
So those are joining us from yeah.
There's no sound on it, right? Can I?
Okay, cool.
No, it's no sound on the PowerPoint. It was the third one. It was this one, no?
Yep.
Sorry, no.
No sound. Okay. Oh, there you go. The challenges of live broadcasting, believe me. For our audience that's watching from home, of course you will be able to hear it, and just have to apologize for our audience here, so you'll have to watch the video with the imagery of the winning products. So let's get moving to the next, there you go, the representative from Hernon there with his award. And we move on to the next category, which is AOI inspection systems, one of the biggest categories we have in the Global Technology Awards. This year, the winner was Murtec for the MV9 SP. Let's see if we can get that to work.
The all-new MV9 SIP hybrid 3D AOI system combines Murtec's exclusive OmniVision 3D inspection technology with a high-resolution laser system for precision 3D inspection of system in package SIP applications. This powerful new system is configured with Murtec's exclusive 25 megapixel coax express camera and 12 projection digital tri-frequency Mire 3D technology.
Okay, assembly tools is the next category up, and the winner of that category is Kick for their WPI system. There we go.
Process by providing users with automatic profiling, including an industry-first dwell-time parallelism measurement for each production board, real-time preheat, and wave analytics, automatic SBC charting, and more.
Okay, so it looks like we've managed to find some sound. There is, of course, beyond, there's a, what do you call it, the Kick representative there, Miles Moreau, with the award. Nice to see him. I think Miles is here. Just in time. There we go. So come on up and tell us, give us a couple of words about the wave profiler.
WPI?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was an exciting project to come up with the WPI. If you're familiar with Kick systems, we do automatic profiling systems for reflow and curing. And wave was a big challenge for us to get the biggest achievement we have was a real-time dwell time during production for each board.
Yeah.
which our R&D came up with, and is really helping our customers now. So
Great.
it was great.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations. Okay, moving on. Our next category is Best Product Europe, and the winner of this category is Kurz Ersa for the Connect system.
Kurz Ersa Connect.
Yeah.
Ersa provides a platform with an
Want to get a
integrated
photograph with the
hardware
award?
software infrastructure
Okay,
that ranges from the Kurz Ersa machine portfolio to standardized interfaces and systems in use at customers. These digital offers are accessible independent of location and device, as well as they increase the reliability and availability of each individual system.
All right. It's a sample award we use for photographs, by the way, you know. So next category, there's someone from Ursa there with the award, the actual award. Next category, Best Product Americas, and the winner of this category this year was Novacentrics for their PulseForge soldering inline system.
Novacentrics new PulseForge soldering inline with proprietary high-intensity flash lamp technology reflows in seconds or less a wide range of traditional solders, such as SAC 305, while allowing commercial packages, including transistors, LEDs and resistors in traditional sizes, to be affixed to heat-sensitive substrates like plastic, films, textiles and paper, without damaging the substrate, while enabling temperature-sensitive components, including sensors, batteries and cameras, to be directly soldered without damage.
Okay, so we're only seeing a few seconds of the videos. It must be a memory problem here, but there we go. That's Stan Farnsworth with the trophy for what is a very revolutionary product, PulseForge soldering. Moving on, next category is cleaning equipment. And the winner this year is Austin American Technology for their X series.
Austin American Technology redesigned X series stencil cleaner is available with either a 30-inch or 40-inch configuration. X series vertical format batch cleaning systems provide maximum chemistry flexibility to meet a wide variety of applications. Aqueous, saponification and semi-aqueous alcohols and hybrid solvents can be used to remove flux residues, solder paste, inks, adhesives and other residues from boards, stencils or tooling used in the production process.
Great. Okay, so following, of course, the equipment side, cleaning materials. And the winner this year is Kaizen Corporation for the Aquinox A4382. All right. So, do you want a photograph with the award, or do you want to just talk about it? Just say hello? Say a quick hello to everybody in the microphone.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad we could all be here together at Productronica, and we wish those that can't be with us, safe travels and safety. And we're so pleased to win this award, and I thank you all.
Great. Thanks. Thank you. Okay. Good to see some of our American friends making it over here, actually. Well done on that, Tom. So next, we go into the EMS categories, and the first contract services for companies with a turnover of less than $15 million. The winner for that first category is Pride Industries.
Companies that partner with Pride are committed to supporting their communities. We are the premier employer of veterans and people with disabilities. We work with local resources to hire, train and help people with disabilities. Our employees enjoy successful employment, earn a paycheck, contribute to their communities and improve the quality of their lives.
There you go. Yeah, they're a very special company. They, as I say, employ veterans and disadvantaged people. So that's Pride Industries. Next category is 15 to 25 million turnover. The winner of that category is Absolute EMS.
Absolute EMS, a leader in the EMS industry, is located in the heart of Silicon Valley. Founded in 1995, the organisation has grown with the assistance of strategic long-term customers, many of which have deep roots in the medical industry. Thus, our strong focus on quality, repeatability and scalability.
And that's that. So the next category up is 25 to 50 million. Winner of that one is URTech Manufacturing.
At URTech, we provide a comprehensive suite of EMS services to leading OEM companies. Our services extend from product concept to commercialization, supporting the entire product lifecycle. We build trusting relationships with our customers that bring value and reliability to every partnership.
Great. Okay, so the last one here is in the EMS section. I think this is the last one, is Computrol.
As part of the Creations Technologies Group, Computrol serves its customers from 2 world-class facilities in Denver, Colorado, and its headquarters in Meridian, Idaho. As a result of the acquisition of Western Electronics 2 years ago, Computrol increased its cable wire harness capabilities. Founded in 1984, Computrol has a long history of providing electronics contract manufacturing services and support to blue-chip customers, ranging from military and medical electronics to telecommunications and computer peripherals.
Great. Okay, and here's the final EMS company in these categories. That's Neotech. They're the largest one in the room, and they won for over $100 million turnover. Finally, moving on to deep handling systems now. The winner of that category is LPKF for the Cutting Master 2122. Oh dear. It's like these guys that tried to steal the mic off you, you know. Okay, so that's the LPKF for the Cutting Master. Moving on to the next category, we have Design Services.
We're running the presentation up there now, but keep going through it and we'll just follow it.
Okay. And for Design Services, the winner is Pegmatis, Inc.
Pegmatis offers professional and experienced product development services. The company has an experienced design and development team under one roof to take a new idea or concept right through to manufacturing. Pegmatis provides all of the necessary services and consultations for a successful product development project. Post-launch, Pegmatis can step in again for product refresh or provide sustaining engineering services.
Great. Okay, so next category up is device programming, and the winner for that this year is Data I/O for their Centrix system.
The Centrix Security Deployment as a service with the Centrix Product Creator tool is capable of programming up to 2,000 parts per hour and security provisioning up to 1,000 devices per hour. Advanced dual lead screw dual axis gantry with twin servo motors for precision moves and placement accuracy.
Great. Okay, so that's the Centrix. Moving on, next category is dispensing equipment, and the winner is ANDA for the MPS 230.
The MPS 230 material preparation system is a two-component material preparation system suitable for self-leveling material, simultaneous material preparation and feeding. Different parameters of each material can be controlled to provide accurate distribution of materials. The MPS 230 is suitable to transfer silicon adhesive, polyurethane, epoxy resin, acrylic acid and other fluids for precise fit.
Excellent. So that's ANDA, Chinese-American-based company. Next up is Best Distributor Americas, and the winner in that category is Murray Percival.
The Murray Percival Company is now the leading supplier to the Midwest's electronics industry and offers thousands of consumable products as well as inline capital equipment for the repair and assembly of PCBs. The average sales volume per employee last year exceeded $2 million. The company has 4 service engineers and services 73 product lines.
Yeah, one of the oldest, most successful rep companies in the US, Murray Percival. And there's another picture of the team. Next category up today is ID systems and component counters. And the winner of this category is Science Scope for the IMS.
The TR7007 Plus 3D SPI platform is equipped with an improved motion controller, EtherCAT, and an enhanced lighting module. The smart SPI solution eases data exchange between the production line and the MES of your choice to enable data traceability for the connected factory.
Super. So that's Science Scope there. Moving on, our next category is SPI inspection systems, and the winner this year is Test Researching for the TR7007 QI.
With the HM520H hybrid LED mounter, actual productivity is highest among machines of the same class and is optimized for high quality production. The system is equipped with features specific to LED production, including PCB warpage correction, random LED placement and flip check placement, etc. The HM520H can produce small to large PCBs with a rotary head that allows high speed, high precision production using the side view system, or SVS.
There you go. I'm surprised there's nobody here from TRI today. I saw that machine today. It's quite impressive. And there they are with the award. Next up is LED production equipment, and the winner this year is Hanwha Techwin for their HM520 hybrid LED mounter.
With the HM520H hybrid LED mounter, actual productivity is highest among machines of the same class and is optimized for high quality production. The system is equipped with features specific to LED production, including PCB warpage correction, random LED placement and flip check placement, etc. The HM520H can produce small to large PCBs with a rotary head that allows high speed, high precision production using the side view system, or SVS.
Super. So that's the LED production equipment category. Next up is metrology equipment, and the winner is Cyber Optics for the WX3000.
The new MRS-enabled
There we go.
WX3000 systems provide not only high resolution and high accuracy, but performs 2 to 3 times faster than alternate technologies at data processing speeds in excess of 75 million 3D data points per second. The nano-resolution MRS sensor-enabled WX3000 systems deliver throughput greater than
Demonstration.
25
Yeah, we already sent you the other one. There you go. He's a shy boy. He said, let the product do the talking. Moving on. Next category is Most Improved Smart Factory, and that's a relatively new category. The winner this year is Absolute. I think that's meant to be EMS. And
Absolute EMS has invested in a state-of-the-art 4.0 manufacturing facility in the heart of Silicon Valley. Additionally, the company has invested in equipment including surface mount technology, solder paste inspection, automatic optical inspection, 3D Xray, all of which is 4.0 capable, with the ability of placing and inspecting 008 or 004 components, literally the smallest components in the world.
Yeah, they've spent a lot of money this year on refitting their factory. Next up is nitrogen generators, and the winner for that is N2 Gen nitrogen generators from SouthTech Systems.
The N2 Gen series of PSA nitrogen generators are designed to produce a wide range of flow rates at nitrogen purities of 95% up to 99.999%. All units are custom designed and can be packaged with a dedicated air compressor, dryer and or booster if needed for a complete turnkey solution.
Wonderful. Okay, so it's nitrogen generators, and that's the guys there from SouthTech. Next up, pick and place high volume, and the winner this year is Hanwha Tekwin again for the HM520H. Is that right?
The HM520H allows mixed production of different models by applying the dual lane and applies two-step placement to be able to respond to up to 750mm PCBs. Optimized for mini LED production, a high precision machine that can produce 0.2 by 0.1mm LEDs by adopting 20 spindle rotary heads. It realizes productivity of maximum 65,000 CPH using the wafer handling unit.
There you go, Hanwha Tekwin, who are coming up in leaps and bounds. Next up is pick and place low to medium volume, and the winner is SMT for the Fox machine. I'm guessing they're here.
The integration of the VST valve gives our state-of-the-art Fox or Puma machines with Artifice solder paste jet dispensing solution the ability to jet solder paste with dot sizes from 200 to 800 microns after adjustment of the settings. The Fox combines jetting dispensing, 2.5D placement, electrical testing, inventory control and traceability in a single...
Thank you guys, I'm very glad and very proud on this. Just to mention, you know that we are now part of Nano Dimension, and this technology award is going to really scale up to the next age of the electronics. Thanks to all. Bye.
All right. Yeah, lots of exciting things happening there at SMT. So moving on to our next category, printing equipment, and the winner is ASUS for the Serio 6000.
The Serio 6000 printing system reduces the need for personnel in production. The printer can autonomously set up process-specific tools and adjust itself to new print jobs. The core message of the Serio product line, scalable to infinity, is also true for this system. The Serio 6000 offers automation in stages, adaptable to the existing conditions in production.
Super. Yeah, it's a very exciting product, that Serio 6000. So if you get a chance, go along and have a look at it when you're here. Next up is Reflow Ovens, and the winner is BTU for the Pyramax.
The Pyramax vacuum reflow oven has been designed around the requirements of large EMS, high-volume automotive customers. The unit is configured with 10 zones of closed-loop convection heating and a maximum production width of 18 inches. Nitrogen atmosphere capable, the Pyramax vacuum reflow oven offers maximum process temperatures of 350 degrees C. The updated system features added controlled heating in the vacuum chamber, allows to peak in the vacuum zones, and gives the best control of liquids time for a vacuum reflow oven.
Great. Okay, so that's BTU with the Pyramax. Next up, oh, there's Rob again. And next category is soldering equipment other. The winner of that category is EVS International for the EVS 18KLF. don't think there's anybody here from there.
EBS 18KLF is a larger 18 kilo at 40 pounds a pot, allowing customers to recover more dross and giving a faster ROI. The solder recovery system has a touchscreen display, and like all EVS systems, is totally automatic.
Okay, next up, I think I've skipped one. I wonder if I can go back one. Next category is Rework and Repair, and of course the winner, as you just saw, is PDR for their IR E6XL Evolution Series.
IR E6XL Evolution Series is an ultimate performance BGA rework station for small, large PCBs up to 24 inches or 620 millimeters. Developed from PDR's pioneering IR rework stations from the 1990s to 2000s, the IR E6 features visible focused IR component heating, gantry motion XY PCB mounting for complete 24-inch plus PCB component rework, a large area array PCB preheating capability utilizing PDR's 3,200 watt 3-zone IR PCB technology, precision mechanics with 5-micron placement accuracy, precision optical alignment and advanced thermal in-process control auto profiling, and a suite of specialized engineering tools and reporting.
Right, there you go. That's from PDR. It's a lot of technology on display today. And next category up is Robotic Handling. The winner for that category is Vitrox for the V9i Generation 2.
The breakthrough technologies of V9i Gen 2 started with a patented motorized vari-angle lighting that adjusts in various lighting angles to provide maximum defect coverage. Aside from that, the robotic arm is to replace the conventional methodology in production for better inspection flexibility. In this single system, it can be configured with different options such as varifocal lens, height or coating thickness measurement sensor. V9i is designed with a simple layout for ease of maintenance.
Great. Okay.
As V9 is truly a highly flexible yet accurate vision system that can mimic the capability of the human being when it comes to final inspection and conformal coating. With the release of this Edge Vision technology, I'm confident that we will be able to help the customer in addressing their pain point when adapting the Industrial 4.0 solution. Frankly, this award comes with full amazement and honor to us. I would like to take this opportunity to demonstrate my greatest gratitude to the jury for selecting the V9i Robotic Vision for this very reputable award. Well, the biggest honors goes to the team who never gave up in fulfilling the customer needs by offering the solution that meet or exceed their expectation. Thank you.
This reward is a recognition for the hard work and dedication of the engineers to overcome the challenges in realizing automated inspection solution.
Great. So next up we have Selective Soldering Systems, and the winner is Seiho Smart Split for Seiho Systems. There you go.
Seiho Smart Split is an intelligent software that controls and coordinates the process sequence for different assemblies in mixed operation. The various process tasks such as flux deposition, soldering process with up to 6 soldering units and selective brushing process are automatically distributed to the available process stations that are integrated in the individual machine. As a result, Seiho Smart Split allows high mix, high volume production in selective soldering processes by halving cycle times.
Great, okay, so next category up, we're into software, and this is software process control. The winner this year is Arch Systems for the Arch FX.
The ArchFX platform empowers electronics manufacturers to reclaim 20 to 60% invaluable machine performance and line utilization losses. Every day, Arch extracts data from thousands of SMT machines worldwide, accelerating Industry 4.0 and enabling real-time visibility and actionable insights into some of the most complex problems manufacturers face today.
Great, so that's Arch Systems with the ArchFX. Next up is software, production software, and the winner of that category is Critical Manufacturing for the Factory Automation Module.
High-tech manufacturers are placing high importance on resiliency and responsiveness to guard against potential disruption and reduce dependency on human labour. Many are pursuing higher automation as a competitive advantage, with the ultimate goal of achieving lights-out integrated smart factories. The Factory Automation Module is an event-based factory-level workflow system that responds to events and orchestrates different applications, systems, and subsystems.
Right, just like to say thank you to everyone and thank you for this award. Factory automation is part of a wider, broader set of software solutions from Critical Manufacturing, and I would invite you to check us out at A3 Hall, ASM, where you can see factory automation actually working live with different AIV systems. Thank you so much.
Great. Good. Okay, so excellent. So let's move on. We're getting to the solder paste or solder paste, depending on which part of the world you come from. The winner this year is a Veritech for the MENA product.
MENA is a simple pre-treatment for aluminium that allows soldering to aluminium as easily as soldering to copper. It replaces traditional alternatives like anti-stropic conductive paste, ACP, and plated bumps, which carry limited capacity and higher costs. MENA also enables capability to automate low-temperature soldering to polyester in place of polyamide, with dramatic impact on aluminium on PET, AIPET, base flex circuits.
It's a really interesting technology as well that allows soldering onto aluminium. Soldering Robots is the next category, and the winner here is Thermaltronics for their TMT 2200S.
The TMT 2200S has two operating modes. It can provide dual-port simultaneous soldering, or by combining the power of the two ports, it can deliver superior power and performance to meet the most demanding soldering applications. Maximum flexibility allows the use of K, P and S series tips for standard operating modes and KD series for those heavy-duty applications.
Not sure about that video, it's showing a hand soldering example, but Thermaltronics are known for soldering robots. So I'm sure that tip must be fitted to the robot at some point. Next up is Stencils, and the winner is Falcon from Interlatin in Mexico.
Falcon is a stencil which enables a system capable of monitoring the critical process parameters of the SMT printer, which by current standards defines 70 to 80% of the SMT line factors, which impairs the level of business sustainability. The concept consists of an open-ended communication system monitoring the SMT printer process, enabled by a stencil called Falcon. IoT capabilities with improved defined levels of information monitor specific user-defined process requirements during the SMT printer process. Completely configurable to monitor the process parameters permitted by customer engineering groups. This application is readily available to all SMT printer users. This is not brand restricted. Its open communications infrastructure allows its collected data reports to be stored and supported by any MES system.
That's from Interlatin, the Falcon. Yeah, and of course you can You can catch up on any of these technologies that you're seeing here today in the December issue of Global SMT and Packaging. We'll have a full report in detail on the technologies in the awards contest this year. Next up, we've got storage systems, one of the fastest growing areas in the industry. The winner this year is Mycronic AB for the MyTower X.
To achieve that performance, shelving columns have been organised around 4 rotating carousels, thus multiplying the storage volume that can be reached by one central robotic arm. This innovative storage technology utilises all available space within the tower. Shelves rotate in parallel to not lose any unloading speed. With this new approach, the platform packs in as many as 1,000 component reels per square metre to give manufacturers the most space-efficient, intelligent storage system available. In addition to component reels, the MyTower Series X can store Mycronic's smart boxes, Agilis pallets and JDEC trays.
So we've got a little video going with this one.
Hej Liam.
This is kind of cute. This is something that came from Simon.
Ja, tack. Från vem? Jag tror att det kommer från Trevor. Ja, okej. Varsågod. Tack så mycket. Tack så mycket. Ja, Global Technology Award för MyTower Series X. Vad stolt jag blev. Thank you very
Excellent.
much for this Global Technology Award.
Sorry, I cut him off there.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought he'd finished. Okay, next category up is test services. We're getting through them now. The next winner is Daytest for test services.
Addressing the higher end of the Xray energy spectrum, Daytest is now offering integrated high-energy imaging services, both X-ray as well as CT scanning, specifically for those electronic failure analysis and material science applications where energies of 160 kV and below are insufficient to provide adequate material penetration and image resolution. This is unique.
Oh, we've lost the sound there. Definitely one of the best failure analysis labs in Silicon Valley. That's Daytest for test services. Next category, test equipment, other, and the winner is Co-Young for the new Neptune C+.
Traditional laser, confocal and electron microscopes only measure 3-dimensional shapes and cannot inspect transparent materials. The penetration depth is just too shallow. Optical systems use UV light, but only for simple 2D presence. Our LIFT technology, laser interferometry fluid tomography, delivers non-destructive 3D inspection to precisely measure wet-dry fluids, including material thickness, all at production speeds. Based on low coherence interferometry, LIFT employs near-infrared light, NIR, to capture images through multiple layers of fluidic structure regardless of transparency.
Great. Okay, so we're in the W's now, so we're close to the end. So we're wave soldering. So the winner over the wave soldering category this year is one-click SMT technology for the NRW series.
The NRW series features an automatic solder pot, in-out and up-down, a spray nozzle cleaning system, and even a spray for minimalised overlapping. The heavy-duty conveyor rail has a robust conveyor finger. Additionally, the system has 5 individual preheating zones. The system has a conveyor speed of 500 to 1800 mm a minute. The NRW series offers an 1800 mm preheating length with bottom air convection preheating zone, unique 5 bottom preheating zones for a smooth preheating profile.
Excellent. Okay. Oh, I've gone one too far. And next category up we've got is inspection X-ray, and the winner this year is Viscom for the IX7059 PCB inspection XL.
At the heart of the inline Xray system, IX7059 PCB Inspection XL is a revolutionary fully dynamic 3D image acquisition concept with a new generation of flat panel detectors and the ability to inspect even very long PCBs in lengths of up to 1600mm or 63 inches. This makes it ideally suitable for LED panel boards or 5G infrastructure electronics manufacturing as well. For example, large and heavy server boards.
There we go, so it's Viscom. Great, so I think that brings us pretty much to the end of the Global Technology Awards ceremony. There was one correction I have to announce, which was that the cleaning equipment category was actually a joint winner. The Austin American Technology was one of the winners. The other one was, of course, Kolb Cleaning Technology GmbH. So well done to Kolb. I'm sorry about that. So there we have it. So I don't know if we don't have awards in our hands, but if the winners that are here want to come up on the stage for a group photograph, we'll take a quick group photo to end the evening. So make your way up to the stage, please. And then afterwards, please feel free to help yourself to some of the drinks and snacks that are there. Good job. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your evening, everybody. And as I said before, there's plenty of snacks and drinks there if you want to help yourself. Thank you.